looking at it, looks like.
There's also carrots and celery that I put in the yard.
Sinks pretty quick.
It's fun watching them just
Yeah,
pop up
there you
and
go.
pop down.